Hi guys, welcome back to another review, and today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the Cars Heyday River Sky. 3+ pieces from Mattel. Here's the bag. SCN Cars 3. Jet Hudson. Rich. Whatever this guy is, fair game. Ryan inside Langley. Whatever this guy is, and dirt track. Fabulous Hudson Hornet, also known as Doc Hudson. Let's open it up. Here's Heyday River Scott out of the packaging. 34. There he is. River Scott in the back. License plate, 4 wheels. And everything is nice. Everything is nice when you have a car. Oops, the camera fell. This is one of those Cars diecasts. So many things to pronounce the Cars movie, but you know, I thought it would be nice if you had one. So this will be the day we had a car, and that's what it is. Thanks for watching unboxing of the Cars Heyday River Scott Deck Spy.